Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't always do that, it's weird. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this look using the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. It's a really fun palette, has a lot of nice colors, so I will definitely be using this in another video as well. Today I am not doing my base on camera just because I feel like you've seen it a million times. It's like I don't change it up much, so it's basically the same thing over and over and over again. But I hope that you will enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment. Let's go! So I'm starting off using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris, and I'm filling in my brows using this. Next I am taking the NYX Eyestudio Photogenic Concealer, and I am putting this on my lids and under my eyebrows. And I'm blending it out using my sponge from Real Techniques. Now I'm going in with the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm setting my eyes using this color, Kessie or something like that. Next I'm taking this brown shade called Nana or Nana. And I'm taking this color and putting it like in the crease, I think. Next I'll be going in with this color, Sakia? I don't know. Anyways, I'm taking this, and I think I'm gonna put it on the outer V, but we'll see what happens. Next I'm going in with this color, it's called Nubia. I'm just gonna put this on like the rest of my lid, I think. Let me try that again, but with a wet brush, and see if it has better color payoff. Just gonna go back in with Sakia again. Sakia. Just darken it up a bit, right over. Give it that cut crease feel. I think I'll go in with this Eyestudio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, 24 hours, and just make like a super, oh my god, just make like a super tiny line. I'm just gonna continue by going in with the Maybelline Big Eyes Liner. And next I'm going in with the Icona Milano, oh my lord! Next I'm going in with the Icona Milano Emotion Allowed mascara. I will be putting my lashes on off camera as usual, but today I'm using these lashes from Stella makeup in the style Famous. So I'll just put these on and I'll be right back. So for the bottom of my eyes, I just went back in with that color on the outer portion, and on the inner portion of the eye, I went back in with Juvia. And I put the big eyeliner from Maybelline in the waterline. As you can see, I also finished doing my face, so the next and final step is lipstick. And I didn't know what color to use, so I'm taking this very bright orangey red because it's fun. So this is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Orange County. And so that is it. So I think I'm just gonna take my hair down and I'll be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope you weren't too sad not seeing me doing my base on camera, but since I always do it, I feel like you know the routine by now. So anyways, this is the finished look. It's actually like really pretty. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you want to see next time. And I'll see you then.